Hello dear student. Okay, now today we are going to see the new chapter which is called the complex number. Yes, the previous year we have learned several set of numbers. Here we have an example of those set, including the natural numbers, integers, okay, irrational and real numbers, and another set. Okay, here we are going to introduce a new set of numbers. Okay, you are already know how to find the square root of a positive real numbers. Okay, but today we have seen how to find the square root of the negative numbers. Okay, here this is example of any equation. Consider this equation x squared plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, it means that here if we say x squared equal to negative 4, to find the x equal the square root of negative 4. Okay, we have learned to find the square root of negative 4. It is not possible. Is it impossible? Okay. But in this new set, we have seen to find the square root of negative 4 is possible. Okay. Yes, therefore, the set of real numbers is not sufficient to contain the solution of this equation. We have seen here. Okay? We have seen here. Yes, there is new set called the complex number. That set which is possible to find the square root of that negative numbers. In this set, to find the square root of negative number exists. If we say exist, it's the same as to write like this. Exist. Okay? Like this. Or include. Okay? Or like this. Like this. Okay? Yes. Here we have the concept of this complex number. The complex number is the number that can be put in the form like this. Okay, this is the form of complex number which is made by two parts. Okay, where A and B are real numbers. Okay, this A and B are real numbers, and the I. This is another symbol. I is equal to the square root of negative 1. To find the I, it is very easy, okay, to find this I square equal to negative 1. It means that I equal to square root of negative 1, okay? I being the first letter of the word which is called the imaginary, okay? The set of complex number is denoted by these symbols. This is the symbol which is donate the set of complex number, and is defined as like this. Okay, the Z equal to A plus BI, where A and B belong to real numbers. Okay, and the I square equal to negative 1. From here, okay, you remember we say to remove the square root. To remove the square root, we squaring both sides. Okay? It means that we get I square equal to negative 1. Okay? That is the reason why we say I square equal to negative 1. Okay? For Z equal to A plus BI, A is called the real part. This is a real part of Z. Real part of Z. Okay, that complex number. Okay, this is B is imaginary part because it has these symbols which is the I. This is imaginary part. Okay. Okay, here in this real part is symbolized by white real part of Z equal, here we have an H. This the number including here, okay? Then the imaginary part is symbolized by I am Z equal B. This the coefficient of this I. Okay, this is imaginary part, this is a real part. A real part. Here, this explanation show A is called the real part of Z. Z is the complex number. Okay, it's the same as to say the function. We have seen the f of x in the another set. We have said x equal to ax square plus b. This is an example. Okay, in the complex number, we use z. We use z to show this. The given set is a complex number or a complex set. B is called the imaginary part of Z and denoted by this one. Okay, like this. Here we have example. Show the real part and the imaginary part of the complex number. Okay, according to this example and the explanation given above. Okay, who can tell us the real part in this? This given question, the real part and the imaginary part. Someone can try. It is very easy. Okay? Yes, to find the solution of this one, okay? To find the solution, of this one, we starting reds Z equal to negative 3 plus 4i. Are you together? Good. Okay. Z equal to negative 3 plus 4i. Okay. Then the real part of Z, okay, equal negative 3 because this is the part which is not including to this I. Okay. Good. The imaginary part of Z, okay, the given Z equal 4. Are you together? 4. Sometimes the symbol says not starting rate. We say the real part of given 3, negative 3 plus 4i equal to negative 3. Okay? It's the same as to say real part of this function. Okay? It is not a function. This complex number. Okay? The imaginary part of negative 3 plus 4i equal to 4 are the same. This one are the same like this. Okay? It is very easy. Complex number, it is very simple. Okay? We will learn many things related with the complex number. Okay? I hope everyone will get many information about the complex number. Okay? I wish you to drop the subscribe. Okay? To follow this or listen, okay? Yes. Next time we will see another subtopic of the complex number. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.